Welcome again. Let's keep this short, simple, and sweet. This was looking at this in hindsight. This was seller's territory that potential sales would have occurred anywhere in this box. Stop loss anywhere on or in this box. Anywhere in this box from the lower limit to the upper limit. Stop loss. TP anywhere what in this box so far as it is respecting this low. But my only concern was we were selling in demand order block or demand zone from a higher time frame. This is the 1 hour time frame. Yesterday, the daily was in seller's territory. The 4 hours, no, the daily buyer's territory. 4 hours seller's territory. Okay, 1 hour seller's territory. Okay, so this is where price was approaching. Price was in this daily demand zone. From here to here is the daily demand zone. So I was very skeptical about taking sales into this demand zone. It could dip and fly up. However, the point is the strategy has been built in a way that even if price dips and wants to fly up, it will hit the TP before it reacts or does anything it wants to do. Okay, there was a good sell opportunity here to take price down. Okay, but I did not see it. But in hindsight, I'm seeing it now. Then there is another opportunity here. Once price did this bearish bridge, came back to test this zone here. If you look at it very well, this zone is what we call the supply zone. Not okay, it's what is called supply zone. In hindsight, what is very obvious here is that this low bottom wick is the last buyers before sellers took over the market. So price just came to tap into that liquidity zone and did what? Dropped to retest this low. So many things were just going through my head as at that time that I wouldn't just take a trade because price has come into this supply zone or liquidity zone. I had to drop to my precision time frame to see where I could take sales. And looking at it, I did not see any place to take sales, and I'm happy I did not take the sales because if I wanted to take the sales, it would be anywhere around here, and that would imply that perhaps my TP wasn't hit. Okay, going to precision time frame, which will require me going as low as the 30 minutes to see where I could take potential sales. Looking at this in hindsight, this is where potential sales could have been activated. This is where my stop loss will be placed. And as you can see, price is just dilly-dallying in this zone. So potential TP was somewhere below here. Now this is why I did not enter the trade because the TP was below my daily what level, this level here. So I don't want to be hopeful. So let me just wait. If I have to miss this trade, let's say it breaks down, no problem. But the point is that I'm following my trading strategy, I'm planning my trade, and I'm trading my plan. Looking at it from the daily time frame, I am seeing a potential head and shoulder pattern forming. Okay, neck, shoulder. This is the left shoulder, potential right shoulder forming, and this is the head. So let's see if price is going to continue in this structure. Okay, it's going to obey this technical pattern. On the other hand, if this daily candle closes bullish like this, we'll be anticipating the next daily candle to do what? Retest this high. Something like, it may not be the day, it may take series of candles to retest this high. If it closes above this resistance, then we can anticipate it to do what? If this next day's candle closes above, or if today's candle comes bullish and closes above like this, then we'll be anticipating the next day's candle to retest this high. It is more technical the way I'm saying it, because then you're reading candles. You understand, not group of candles. And the probability of having high win rate reading single candles is not as promising as the strategies that have been developed over a long period of time using a lot of data sets. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. On the daily time frame, price closed directly at support, which is an indication that the daily guys are not done with the buying yet. So whatever happens, if it does like this, or this candle eventually breaches this low, this zone, and closes bearish like this, then this is good. That will indicate that price will continue downwards. But at the time being, I'm not rushing to take anything. Like I always say, it's better to be out and wish you were in than to be in and wish you were out. Okay, so this is what I got on British pound Japanese yen. For gold, gold is playing out very well. On the daily time frame, sellers territory. Okay, price breached this low, and there was all indication that the next day's candle will continue what? Bearish. Very high indication. So for today, what am I looking at from gold? Okay, gold is, if you're trading just British pound Japanese yen in these few days, you'll be sitting on your hands. If you're trading gold, look at this heavy slam dunk. Okay, then now look at this. So price has given us a setup, bearish setup. All we need to do is get some retracement, then price will drop to retest this low. Yesterday there was no trade opportunity on gold because price was in this range, and this range is not a trading or tradable range. So there was nothing to take here, you just have to stay out of it. So this is for gold. I'm just also going to take a chill pill, wait for retracement before retesting of this low. But if that doesn't happen, then let gold create a new breach and we can ride it. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at for on gold. The last but not the least is Bitcoin. Okay, if you've watched to this point, do well to subscribe. Okay, the button is here. Hit that notification button in the shape of a bell, select the all option. Okay, comment and then like. For Bitcoin, we are in daily demand zone, this gray zone down here. On the other hand, so on the daily time frame, we're in buyer's territory. On the 4 hours time frame, we're in seller's territory. On the 1 hour time frame, we are in what? A money spot. Okay, though money spot, but more influenced by the sellers. Okay, what do I mean? This is how price has printed. Okay, so until price takes out this low, there is no sell opportunity. Until price takes out this high, there is no buy opportunity. So this is the money spot. So we got to wait for price to come above here to continue the bullish momentum, or price to bearishly take out this guy below here to continue the what? Bearish momentum. Bullish, bearish. So let's see what price is going to do on Bitcoin, but no need to rush. If price breaches above, there's clean traffic for price to mirror. So no need to rush, we just wait and enjoy the ride. So this is what I got for today, what the market has given. So trade safe. Okay, peace, Baraka Bashar.